Today we're going to be picking the ERA Fortress Sashlock. The lock is working. And we'll be using homemade tools. Details of how to make these tools can be found on the Island Locks Locksmith Training Forum. So let's see how long this takes. And there we go. Now, what I'd like to do now is take this lock apart. There's a couple of reasons that I'm doing this. The first is I'd like you to see that the lock is in fact intact, with the exception of the sash parts at the top here. The next is I'm actually going to remove these levers . And then I'm going to give them a good mix up and put them back into the lock in a completely random order. Because I do appreciate that this lock has been on my bench for some time now, so I am quite familiar with it. As you'd expect, the key obviously isn't going to work anymore, but that is locked off. And there we go. Took a little bit longer and my pick got stuck towards the end there, but it's open. So, those are the tools. get yourself along to the Island Locks Locksmith Training website, and if you've got access to the locksmith only area, Jay will show you how to make these tools. Thank you very much.